Hello everyone. Let us see this fourth question. The first question is x minus 2 upon x plus 2 plus x plus 2 upon x minus 2 is equals to 4. We have to solve this equation using formula method. So what we will do? We will cross multiply, right? Okay. So here it will be x minus 2 the whole square plus x plus 2 the whole square divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2 is equals to 4. So therefore here it is x square minus 4x plus 4 plus here it is x square plus 4x plus 4 whole divided by this denominator we expand, it is x square minus 4 and this is equals to 4. So therefore this x square plus x square will give me 2x square. This minus 4x plus 4x it will cancel and 4 plus 4 I will get 8. So 2x square plus 8 is equals to 4 into, here it is x square minus 4. So therefore I have this is equals to 4x square minus 16 and left hand side will 2x square plus 8. So therefore what we do, we move this, everything we move on left hand side. So it is 2x square minus 4x square plus 8 plus 16 is equals to 0. So here 2x square minus 4x square is minus 2x square plus 16 plus 8 24 is equals to 0. So therefore let us take minus 2 common. So when we take minus 2 common, it is x square minus this is 12 is equals to 0. So therefore this minus 2 will go on right hand side. So we have x square minus 12 is equals to 0. So therefore we can say that x square is equals to plus 12. Therefore we can say that x is plus or minus root 12. Okay. But what I am saying that here we have to use formula method now, but without using formula method we have solved it. Okay. So sometime without using formula we can get the answer. Or else if you have to apply the formula, we will compare, but no need to apply the formula. Na? It is simple question. Why we apply the formula? So the value of x, therefore we will say that x is equals to plus or minus. Now this root 12 is nothing but 4 into 3 and square root of 4 is 2. So x is equals to plus or minus 2 root 3. X is equals to plus or minus 2 root 3. This is your first problem. Simple one. Now let us see the second question. Here x plus 1 upon x plus 3 equal to 3x plus 2 upon 2x plus 3. So here also what we do, we multiply this x plus 1. Okay, we multiply this term with this term. So x plus 1 into 2x plus 3. This will be equal to 3x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, you can solve this problem by yourself and then check the answer. Now here it is x into 2x is 2x square. Then x plus 3 it is 3x. Then this 1 into 2x is 2x. And then 1 into 3 is 3. This is equals to 3x into x is 3x square. Then 3x into 3 is 3 3 the 9x. Plus this is 2x. Plus this is 6. So therefore now we have 2x square. I will bring all terms on left hand side. So 2x square minus 3x square. Then here 3x plus 2x is 5x. So I will say plus 5x. And here 9 plus 2 11. So it is minus 11x. Plus 3 minus 6 is equals to 0. So therefore 2x square minus 3x square is what? Minus x square. Plus 5x minus 11x is what? Minus 6x. Plus 3 minus 6 is what? Minus 3 is equals to 0. So therefore let us take minus sign common. So here it is x square plus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. So therefore we can say that x square plus 6x plus 3 is 0. Now here we have to apply the formula method. What we do? We compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So when we compare, we get value of a as 1, value of b as 6 and value of c as 3. So a is 1, b is 6 and c is 3. So therefore x is equals to, now the formula for x is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So this will give us x is equals to, therefore we have x is equals to minus b is 6 plus minus root of b square, that is 6 square, minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 3 whole divided by 2 into a is 1. So this is minus 6 plus minus root of 6 6 are 36 minus 4 3 are 12 and whole divided by 2 into 1 is 2. So this is equals to minus 6 plus minus 36 minus 12. So 6 minus 2 is 4 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is 24 upon 2. So this is equals to minus 6 plus minus, here I will take 2 and here it is 6 whole divided by 2. So I will take 2 common from numerator. So it is minus 3 plus minus root 6 whole divided by 2. Now this 2 and this 2 will cancel and therefore we get, therefore x is equals to minus 3 plus or minus root 6. That is, we can say that x is equals to minus 3 plus root 6 or x is equals to minus 3 minus root 6. Okay. So this is fourth question. We have used the formula method to solve this problem. So problems are lengthy but they are simple. Okay. Means few steps that you should know how to apply and then you get the answer. Okay. Now let us move to the next problem. So here we have fifth question. First problem of the fifth question, a into x square plus 1 equal to a square plus 1 into x. Okay. So therefore what I will say that we open the bracket, it is ax square plus a and we bring this all on left hand side. So it is minus a square plus 1 into a, x is equals to 0. So therefore it is ax square minus a square plus 1 times x plus a equal to 0. Okay. Now we will compare it with, we are using formula method, so compare it with ax square plus bx plus c. So the value of a, here a is a only, b is minus of a square plus 1 and c is also a. So therefore x is, the formula is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this will give you minus b, that is minus minus it will be plus, it is a square plus 1 into root of b square, that is we square this b term, so it will become square of minus is plus, so that will go, and a square plus 1 the whole square is a power 4 plus 2a square plus 1 minus 4ac. So a is 1 and c is a, and whole divided by, here in between we have plus or minus, whole divided by 2a. So a is a only. So this is equal to a square plus 1 plus or minus, now here it is a power 4 2a square minus 4a square will give me minus 2a square, and then here we have plus 1 and whole divided by 2a. So this x is equals to, therefore I will say that therefore x is a square plus 1 plus minus, now here it is square root of, this is a square minus 1 the whole square, and this whole divided by 2a. So this is equals to a square plus 1 plus or minus, this is a square minus 1 whole divided by 2a. So this is equals to, now let us move this problem little down. This is equals to a square plus 1 plus, here it is a square minus 1 whole divided by 2a, or we will say that x is equals to a square plus 1 minus, here it is a square minus 1 whole divided by 2a. So therefore x is, it is a square plus 1 plus a square minus 1 that divided by 2a, or we have x is equals to a square plus 1 minus a square, this is minus minus plus 1 divided by 2a. Now this minus 1 and plus 1 will cancel, so we will get, therefore x is equals to a square plus a square is 2a square divided by 2a, or we have x is equals to, this a square will cancel, so numerator is 2 and denominator is 2a. So this 2 and 2 will also cancel, a and a will cancel, so we have x is equals to a, or we have x is equals to 1 upon a. So the value of x is a, or the value of a is 1 upon a. Now the second question, we have 4x square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square is 0. So again this is in a standard form, so directly we compare it. We say that compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So when we compare, we get the value of a as 4, value of b as minus 4a, and value of c as a square minus b square. So a, b and c, a is 4a, b is minus 4a, and c is a square minus b square. So therefore I will say that therefore x is equals to, the formula for x is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac and whole divided by 2a. So here I have this is equals to minus minus, it will become plus 4a plus or minus root of b square, so it is 16a square b square minus 4, the value of a is 4 and the value of c is a square minus b square and whole divided by 2a. So this is equals to 4a plus minus root of, now this is 16a square, we open the bracket, 4 4 the 16, so it is minus 16 a square, and this minus will be plus, so plus 16 b square whole divided by 2a. So this 16a square and 16a square, this term and this term will cancel, so the x is 4a plus minus, now 16b square, its square root is 4b whole divided by 2a. So finally we will say that therefore x is equals to, this is 4a, okay, let us move this 6th problem little down first. I will say that therefore x is equals to 4a plus 4b upon 2a, or x is equals to 4a minus 4b upon 2a. So we can take 2 common, so we get x is equals to 2a plus 2b upon a, or we get x is equals to 2a minus 2b upon a. Okay, so this is our second question, okay, of this fifth problem. Okay, now the sixth question. Sixth question, what we do? X minus 1 upon x is equals to 3. So here if we cross multiply, we will get x square minus 1 whole divided by x is equals to 3. This gives x square minus 1 is equals to 3x, and this implies that x square minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. So therefore we get x is equals to, before that let us compare. What we say? We say compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So when we compare, we get the value of a is 1, value of b is minus 3, and value of c is minus 1. So therefore our solution x is minus b, so we take negative of this, so it will be 3 plus minus root of b square, that is minus 3 square is 9, minus 4 ac, so 4 into 1 into minus 1, and whole divided by 2 into a is 1. So this is 3 plus minus, this is 9, and minus minus it is plus, so 9 plus 4, and whole divided by 2 into 1 is 2. So therefore it gives us x is equals to 3 plus minus root of, this is 9, 9 plus 4 13, okay, already we have got here, and whole divided by 2. So finally we will say that x is 3 plus root 14 divided by 2, or x is 3 minus root 14 divided by 2. So the value of x is 3 plus root 14 upon 2, or it is 3 minus root 14 upon 2. Okay, next problem. Again what you do here? Cross multiply, right? So x minus 2, cross multiply means this 1 is multiplied by this x minus 2. So x minus 2 plus this 1 multiplied by x is x, and whole divided by x into x minus 2 is equals to 3. So this x and x will become 2x minus 2 upon x into x is x square, and this is minus 2x. This is equals to 3. Okay, so here we have, therefore we will say that 2x minus 2 is equals to 3x square minus 6x. So therefore we can say that this is 3x square minus 6x is equals to 2x minus 2. Okay, you can write all right term to the left and left term to the right, right? Okay, so here now we have this 3x square, this is minus 6x, and this is minus 2x. Bring all right on the left, plus 2 is equals to 0. So we have 3x square minus 8x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now here we will compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So after comparing, we will get a is equals to 3, we will get b is equals to minus 8, and we will get c is equals to 2. So this we got the value of a, b and c, so therefore we will say that x is equals to, now formula is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So this gives us 8 plus or minus root of b square, that is minus 8 square. So minus 8 square is 64, minus 4 into a is 3, into c is 2, and whole divided by 2 into 3. So this will give us, therefore we will get x is equals to 8 plus minus root of This is 64 minus 3 to the 6, 6 for the 24, and whole divided by 2 3 the 6. So this is 8 plus or minus, this is root of 64 minus 24 is what? 40 divided by 6. So therefore finally we will get x is equals to 8 plus minus 4 10 the 40. So that 4 we will take 2 common here, 2 root here in this bracket we have 10 and whole divided by 6. So therefore we can say that therefore x is equals to 8. Now from 8 and 2 we can take 2 common. So let us take 2 common. So we take 2 common. It is 4 plus minus root 10 whole divided by 6. So therefore this implies that x is equals to 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 4 plus minus root 10 divided by 3. So therefore finally x is 4 plus root 10 divided by 3, or x is equals to 4 minus root 10 divided by 3. So the value of x is 4 plus root 10 divided by 3, or value of x is 4 minus root 10 divided by 3. All the problems are little lengthy one, right? Okay. Seventh problem. Seventh problem is 2 into 2x minus 1 upon x plus 3 minus 3 into x plus 2 upon 2x minus 1 equal to 5. Now here if you see this term, and this term, what you observe that they are reciprocal of one other, right? 2x minus 1 upon x plus 3, and here it is x plus 3, it should be x plus 3. Okay, by mistake it is written x plus 2. It is x plus 3 divided by 2x minus 1. So what we say, we consider one term as say y. So here let us say, I will say that let this 2x minus 1 upon x plus 3 is equals to y. So therefore x plus 3 upon 2x minus 1, it will become 1 upon y. So therefore now here it is 2 into y minus 3 into 1 upon y is equals to 5. So therefore we have, now I will multiply each term by y, so it is 2y square minus 3 is equals to 5y. So therefore 2y square minus 5y minus 3 is equals to 0. So 2 3 is 6. Okay. So but we have to solve this by using formula method. So what we do, we compare it with ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Now variable I change here. So when I compare, I will get a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 5, and c is equals to minus 3. So therefore value of y, we can say that it is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So this gives us value of y as 5 plus minus root of this square of minus 5 is 25, minus 4 into a is 2 into c is minus 3, and whole divided by 2a. So what is the value of a is 2. So therefore this will give me y is equals to 5 plus minus, this is root of 25 minus it is plus. So 4 to the 8 and 8 3 the 24, and this whole divided by 2 to the 4. So therefore it gives us y is equals to 5 plus minus, this is root 49, and this whole divided by 4. Okay. So finally we have, therefore we have y is equals to 5 plus minus 7 divided by 4. So I will say that y is equals to 5 plus 7 divided by 4, or y is equals to 5 minus 7 divided by 4. So from here we have y is equals to 7 plus 5, 12, 12 upon 4 is 3, or y is equals to 5 minus 7 is minus 2, minus 2 upon 4 is minus 1 upon 2. So two values of y we are getting. Therefore, now y, for what value we assumed y? Y is, if we see, it is 2x minus 1 upon x plus 3. 2, this is 2x minus 1 upon x plus 3. So therefore the value of 2x minus 1 upon x plus 3 is 3, or its value, that is 2x minus 1 upon x plus 3, its value is minus 1 by 2. So therefore we cross multiply, we get 2x minus 1 is equals to 3 into x plus 3, or here we get 2x minus 1 into 2 is equals to minus 1 into x plus 3. So this will give us, therefore we bring all these right hand side to the left hand side. So it is 2x minus 1 minus it is 3x minus 3 3 the 9 is equals to 0, or here it is 2 to the 4x minus 2. This minus x, when it come on left, it is plus x, and this minus 3, it will become plus 3 equal to 0. So therefore now this 2x minus 3x is minus x, minus 1 minus 9 is minus 10 is equals to 0, or you have 4x plus x is 5x, minus 2 plus 3 is 1 is equals to 0. So therefore we have x is equals to minus 10, or we have x is equals to minus 1 upon 5. So the value of x is minus 10, or value of x is minus 1 upon 5. This is the answer, right? Okay. So a lot of problem we have done in this class. Okay. So let us stop here. In the next class, we will have few more problems from the same exercise on the same method. So let us see in the next class.